Hello students, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. Let us do general knowledge today. I know you'll like the subject. Sit back and enjoy.
Today let's talk about the space and what it consists of, amazing facts about space. So what is space? The outer space means space lying beyond the atmosphere surrounding the earth. It is the void that exists between celestial bodies. So what exactly it means is that everything that is beyond the earth, everything that like the sun, the moon, the stars, the galaxy, everything that is beyond the earth is part of space. Now, for some amazing facts about space. Space is completely silent. Did you know that? There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. There are approximately 200 to 400 billion stars in our Milky Way galaxy alone. Wow! Most astronauts become 2 inches taller in space. There may be life on Mars. Of all the planets in our solar system, apart from Earth, Mars is the only one most likely to be hospitable to life. Means Mars could be one of the only planets in our solar system that could have life. In 1986, NASA found that they thought maybe fossils of microscopic living things in a rock recovered from Mars. Halley's Comet won't the particles that are there in space that move around the sun and the planets. That is a comet. So Halley's Comet won't orbit past Earth again until 2061. You know why? It was discovered in 1705 by Edmund Halley. The famous comet was last seen in 1986 and is only seen once every 75 to 76 years. A full NASA space suit costs $12,000 million, which is about 90 crores. While this entire suit costs $12 million, 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control module. So can you see the suit that astronaut is wearing? Yeah, it costs around 90 crores. That's very, very expensive. The footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints, are discarded materials, will be there for millions of years. The sun mass takes up 99.86% of the solar system, made of 3/4 hydrogen and helium. For most of its remaining mass, the sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in our solar system. with a mass of around 3,30,000 times that of Earth. The Sun will one day be about the size of the Earth. After its red giant phase, the Sun will collapse. It will keep its enormous mass with the approximate volume of our planet. When this happens, it will become a white dwarf. That sounds very funny. The Sun will consume the Earth one day. When the Sun has burnt all its hydrogen, it will continue to burn helium for about 130 million more years. During this time, it will expand to the point that it will engulf Mercury, Venus, and the Earth. At this stage, it will have become a red giant. So these are the stages of the Sun. According to astronauts, space smells like seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. That's a very smelly place. There is a volcano on Mars, 3 times the size of Everest. At 600 kilometers wide and 21 kilometers high, Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars that may still be active, according to scientists. It is the tallest peak of any planet. However, the Rheasilvia Central Park on the asteroid Vesta is taller at 22 kilometers. So that's a really huge volcano on Mars. There is a water reservoir floating in space that is equivalent to the 140 trillion times all the water in the world's ocean. Astronomers found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of water on the Earth's oceans, somewhere around 10 billion light years away, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. Humans can live unprotected in space for about 30 seconds if they don't hold their breath. One day on Venus is longer than one whole year. Venus has a slow axis rotation which takes 243 days on Earth to complete its day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a year. The International Astronomy Day is on the 24th of April. Did you know that? Here are some far out facts about stars, planets, and more. The tallest mountain ever discovered was found on an asteroid named Vesta. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are planets without a solid surface. They are gas planets. You could fit around 10 lakh stars. Planets the size of the Earth inside the Sun. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus, where temperatures soar over 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system and has an average surface temperature of around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But interestingly, Venus is not the closest planet to the Sun, Mercury is closer, but because Mercury has no atmosphere to regulate temperature, it has a very large temperature fluctuation. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all Earth's beaches. Those are a lot of stars. The Milky Way. Some galaxies come in all different shapes and sizes. This one here is spiral. A black hole is thought to exist right in the middle. There it is. Oh, and here we are. That's the Earth. The Milky Way is just one of the billion of galaxies that exist in the known universe, and is also home to our solar system. It is called a spiral galaxy due to its shape and contains between 200 to 400 billion stars like the Sun and some 50 billion planets. NASA. Have you heard about NASA? I'm sure you'll have. Do you know the full form of NASA? NASA means National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It had started its operations formally on the 1st of October 1958. NASA scientists have discovered stars that are cool enough to touch. I would really want to touch one of those stars. Did you know that NASA has released nearly 3 million satellite images of Earth into public? The photos were taken by the Terra spacecraft, which has orbited the planet since 1999, and all of its data is now available for public use. 3 million satellite images of Earth. Wow! So, do you want to go to space? If you dream big enough and work hard to achieve it, you will. So, study hard. Thank you. See you for the next class.